appointments of the board members, we received a response from a lawyer, and I do not know how my letter got to the lawyer, but again, that is maybe we'll get to know. But again, another letter dated 24th March 2025 was addressed to the CECM Finance, seeking for clarification on who is the legitimate speaker and clerk of the County Assembly. I have given this as Annex 6. A letter dated 2nd of April 2025 to MN advocates responding to their query on who the legitimate office holders are in overseeing the county financial matters. So, Honorable Chair, we have made many attempts to try and find out from the Assembly, but every time I will do a letter, a response comes from a different quarter altogether that I did not address. So I have been left in the middle. But what I have done is to go by the law, which I'll be covering briefly. Noting that there are no court orders prohibiting my office from disbursing funds, the requisitions for withdrawal of funds from the County Revenue Fund have been disbursed in accordance with the law and in accordance with the Exchequer guidelines that I have given to each county. In seeking clarification of the legitimate office holder for the County Assembly of Nyamira through the letter addressed to the CECM Finance, my office relied on the following provisions. This is what I said I would come back to. Section 103 of the Public Finance Management Act of 2012 establishes the county treasury for each county government, while Section 104(1) of the Treasury of the Public Finance Management Act of 2012 indicates that the county treasury shall monitor, evaluate, and oversee the management of public finances and economic affairs of the county government. The county government in this instance denotes the county executive and the county assembly as stated in Article 176(1) of the Constitution. B. Section 109, subsection 6 of the Public Finance Management Act 2012 states that the county treasury shall obtain written approval of the control of budget before withdrawing money from the County Revenue Fund. This means that the control of budget can only receive requisitions from the county treasury. The county treasury consolidates requests for funding from all the departments, including the county assembly, and forwards the requisitions to the controller of budget. Consequently, the onus is on the county executive member for finance to clarify the accounting officer from whom the request for funding was received. It is therefore the responsibility of the CECM Finance to provide clarification on financial matters, including identifying the legitimate accounting officer of the county government. So what are we saying in conclusion, Honorable Chair and Honorable Senators? That this matter indeed remains highly contentious, with multiple pending court cases affecting the governance and financial operations of Nyamira County Assembly. Given the legal complexities, my office maintains that clarification of the legitimate accounting officer is the responsibility of the county treasury. Now, Honorable Chair, that is as far as my presentation goes. And last evening, as I was preparing the final documents, I finally got a document from the CECM, and he has written to us, though it's not part of the presentation, so I had not attached it as an attachment. And the letter reads, I'll just get an extract of it, that upon perusal of the orders of the court of 11th October 2024 and 28th October 2024 in Nyamira HCC HR petition stroke 011 of 2024, and the order dated 30th January 2025 in Nyamira HCJR stroke E007 stroke 2024, as well as the order dated 6th of February 2025 in Nyamira HCC HR petition E001 of 2025, we note that the court has been consistent that at the time of the purported impeachment of the incumbent Speaker of the County Assembly of Nyamira, there were conservatory orders in place restraining anyone from interfering with the incumbent Speaker's discharge of his duties. This is further buttressed by the order dated 6th February 2025, whereby injunctive orders were issued restraining the alleged new Speaker from purporting to act and discharge duties as a Speaker of the County Assembly of Nyamira. And even though there are no express orders directing the incumbent Speaker to assume the office of the Speaker, the above orders are, by implication, recognizing the incumbent Speaker as having not ceased to hold office. The court, in the ruling dated 4th November, and it goes on to say what the court order said. So, Honorable Chair, what we are saying is that the back and forth communication has been ongoing, and we tasked the CECM, who is the head of the county treasury, to identify to us who the real accounting officers are and who the Speaker of the County Assembly is, and they have confirmed. So in summary, he has said the following, that the sum effect of these court orders is the recognition that Mr. Enoch Okero and Mr. Silvanus Ndemo Nyamora are the Speaker and Acting Clerk of the County Assembly of Nyamira, respectively. So this letter is dated 3rd of April 2025 and was received in my office on the 7th of April 2025, being the very latest communication from Nyamira. So, Honorable Chair, I believe that I have covered all the 5 areas which were asked in the letter, unless, of course, there are any questions to that effect. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair.